These hanging partitions can be installed in 12 simple steps. The first step is to identify the components provided. This includes your hardware and the tiles themselves. Take note of the labels so you know which side is the back and which tiles go where. Step 2 is to assemble panels 1 and 2. Disconnect the panel connectors from each cable by squeezing the spring-loaded component and pulling the wire from the connector. Affix the panel connectors to pieces 1 and 2 by sliding the connector over the pre-drilled hole and tightening the screw within the connector. Avoid over-tightening the screw. Mark the installation points on the ceiling, referencing the distance between the pre-drilled holes in panels 1 and 2. You can then drill a 5/32 of an inch hole until you break through drywall. Insert the provided drywall anchor and attach the base to the anchor using the screw provided. At this point, your anchor should now be in the ceiling. Screw the ceiling component of the cable into the base, leaving the cable attached. Measure and cut the cable to your desired length, leaving 1 inch of extra length for adjustments. Insert the cable into the panel connector by simultaneously squeezing the spring-loaded component and sliding the wire into the connector. Repeat previous steps for each cable. Make sure the panels are level, adjusting panel connectors and cutting length from wire as needed. Assemble panels 3 through 8 on the ground. Attach them to panels 1 and 2. Configure pop-out pieces as desired once the entire partition is suspended. As a bonus, if you order 2 or more partitions in different colors, you can mix and match them in whatever way you like.